Assalamualaikum, welcome back and Tech 24 channel. Today I'm going to show that how can download YouTube videos and any other website videos and easy steps in with the Google Chrome browser. So let's get started now. It is youtube.com and it is simply added to the extension of Google Chrome, and I go to Pixel Lab, videos, and the two websites on the YouTube and the Pixel videos. Discover. Okay, look here, just when I download this video and the extension download here, no video, just I want to edit one extension, the YouTube downloader. So now in the new tab and type extension. Look here, the video downloader professional, and scroll and the add here. The appears the video downloader professional and add to Chrome. And add the extension. And synchronize. Just sign up for the email if you sign in this Gmail account, or that is not. And now the extension added. Now look here, Pixel at the website. Click on extension and pin the video professional, and press the professional icon, show video list. And here edit item, the video extension. I want to edit this video. Just click this video and look here, when this click this nature sunrise, this dotted notification here, video downloader professional access the all video. Just click on the download, this video automatically start the downloading. This file name, just save. This video, so this extension is added for you, video downloader professional. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected and stay 24 channel.